So we're unboxing the Crock Pot Artesian 8-inch enameled cast iron skillet, round skillet. Maybe. So here it is. 10-inch crock pot enameled cast iron skillet. It is oven safe. Just be careful not to burn your hand on the handle, because they get hot. But they do sell a item that you can put over the handle so that way you can not burn your hand. It's like a silicone, heat resistant silicone sleeve that you can pop on it. All right, and then next we have,
that's the 8-inch, right?
That's the 8-inch. See, it says 8-inch artesian in the teal. And this one is the Crock Pot Artesian 10-inch enameled cast iron skillet. When in doubt, rip it out. And there it is. All right, so now you have the 10-inch cast iron skillet in the teal ombre. So these are both teal ombre. Oops, sorry, noisy for a second. So both in the teal ombre. Yeah, and again with this one, oven safe, stove top safe. Just want to be careful if you put it in the oven or even on the stove top. These handles can get super hot.
And why do you like the cast iron enamel?
I just like them because they're easy to clean and they cook thoroughly. Like when they heat up, the whole bottom heats up. Everything heats up. It's not like some of the other pans where they don't. But it's like one spot or two spots, or, you know, if I have it on the little burner, the whole thing will still get hot. And pretty much the same temperature.
Heat displacement.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, so there you have it. The Crock Pot cast iron enameled skillets.